you know, rather she got the swivel down, so that wasn't sort of the challenge part, trying to get the footwork, but making sure we were in sync was the big challenge doing side by side.
So that's it. You're watching both, and you're both looking forward, so you can't even really go blind. You've got to really see around.
Yeah.
How are they staying in time? That's genius. That is absolute genius. So on to you need a foxtrot. You probably never want to leave that behind. Spider panel, loving it. It looks incredible. Here's your lovely music. Mama Cass, a total page turn. How are you finding it, Kelly?
Do you know what? I have to say that for me, I mean, I love Gal Charleston. It was bonkers and brilliant. But dancing a foxtrot is just lovely. But it's really, what Alicia was saying about it, I have not found this easy this week. I have really struggled, and something finally has sort of clicked in last night, I would say.
Luckily.
Luckily. But I've had a crazy week at EastEnders this week.
Don't look at Kevin's face.
I've had a crazy week at EastEnders this week, and so I've only been training in the evenings. And do you know the thing that gets me about this show?
Yeah.
Is that you have an amazing week, and for us doing the Charleston, we've got a fantastic score. I retired the flight for the whole weekend.
Brilliant.
And then on Monday, I come into training, and I am a complete beginner again.
You have to forget everything you've done.
Well, it's just completely, it's a whole new, I've never danced a foxtrot before, I've never done any kind of, and it was completely different pace for us, and it was just like, I spent the first 2 days, literally, I just go, I can't do it. But I'm loving it. It's like being in an old movie. It's like I close my eyes and I pretend I'm dancing in King.
Oh, thanks. What's wrong with me?
Why not open them and say,
I think it's kind of, it hits one of the balls, isn't it? The foxtrot. I think it really does. You were saying that for your birthday you really wanted a lightsaber. What did Karen get you for your birthday?
she
Oh, you're joking.
she bought me an actual lightsaber and she made me a cake.
She's a great cook, isn't she, Karen?
Yeah. She makes stuff, and she's got this little bell now that she has in the kitchen, and every time when she's either baked the cake or made a dinner, and she goes, ding!
Time for bed! She's the greatest finisher cook in the world. I know. Speaking, I love that. Intel. Speaking of which, your lovely little sister, Joanne, thought that we might like to see what little baby Kevin looked like before he was strapping down. Her birthday present to you.
Yeah.
I think you may be getting a flood of these now, but we did get you a
I've had a glittery lightsaber before.
Wow! Brilliant. Everybody in the audience really wants you two to win, by the way. She loves you. She's a huge fan. Thank you very much. Good luck this weekend.
Thank you.
It looks absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
Kelly and Kevin!
Thank you. I'll get you first.
Last week we saw what happened when Jamelia got a lift from our very own executive chauffeur, none other than Mr. Christopher Biggie. Well, guess who's waiting at the Elstree Studios bus stop this week? Only down on the corner. All aboard Biggin' Spooky Monkey.
Sold over 10 million, record 10 million. He usually swans around in a huge limousine, but today he prefers my buggy.
Because how you doing?
Well, dear,
Are we insured and safe?
insured and safe, but I have to say, first of all, a little bird's been telling me you're finding it difficult to sleep.
I wake up and I think, what am I about to step? And I get up and I put my shoes on.
You do.
I do.
You know the sound of a whale? They say that's very good for making you sleep at night. This is sort of... Now, I'm going to put this final on because I love this song.
For goodness sake.
It's fabulous. You suddenly go into that movement. I think you always have that movement.
I have it unrestricted.
You
I don't
do.
seem to have it unrestricted.
Oh, yes, you do.
Oh, no, you don't.
So, you are Mr. Cool. You're so calm. Do you ever get angry?
Oh, no. I don't like the waste the energy.
What about if I was to say to you, could you shout anger now? This is a bit of acting. Could you do that for me? Yeah. Now, what sort of karaoke song would you like? See if you like this.